Hello and welcome to another video. And today I'm going to be doing Nikki Haley versus Michelle Obama in a 2024 election prediction. So I think that the Midwest would still be safe, especially Nebraska's 2nd congressional district. Nikki Haley could really appeal to the voters there. I'm going to leave Texas as a toss-up because of the growing Latino population, and pundits are saying that it's supposed to flip by 2024. So I think that South Carolina would be safe, even though there are more African American voters in South Carolina, just because it's Nikki Haley's home state and she's really popular there. And Iowa and Ohio would be safe by 2024. I don't see any chance for Michelle Obama to carry these states. If they won in 2016 by 8 or 9%, and they're probably going to go by 15 or 16% by now. And minorities are leaving Ohio and Iowa, and Nikki Haley could appeal to the white working class and to rural voters. So I think that these would be safe. Washington would be safe. California would be safe. For now, I'm going to leave Oregon as a toss-up. Hawaii would still be safe. New Mexico and Colorado would be safe. And Illinois would be safe. The Northeast, not all the Northeast would be safe. I think that Rhode Island and Connecticut could be toss-ups as well. Also New Jersey. And New York and Vermont would be safe. And Virginia would be safe. Also Alaska. So this is the electoral map. Nikki Haley with 147 electoral votes to Michelle Obama's 176. Where could Nikki Haley expand? I think she'll expand in the Rust Belt. She'll get every single Rust Belt state. I think this is just because minorities are leaving and Nikki Haley is more inspiring to the white working class than Michelle Obama. And white voters will think it's their last chance to have a grip over minorities. So they'll have to vote hard for the Republican nominee. But I think that Michelle Obama will still pick up Oregon. Oregon won't flip yet, I think, and she'll carry Nevada. She'll probably carry Rhode Island, Connecticut, and New Jersey. But Nikki Haley will carry all of Maine and New Hampshire. She'll really appeal to rural voters and to New Hampshire voters. And Michelle Obama doesn't have the best appeal. She'll probably ignore Maine and New Hampshire. So I think that Nikki Haley could carry it. And now we only have a few more states. All of these states have growing minority populations. But all of these states still have a majority white voters. And now they're going to try and vote as hard as they can to keep their power. That's why I think Texas will go to Nikki Haley. The white voters will come out in full force because they know that Latino voters will try and get power and be able to vote. So I think that Texas will be able to stay in the Republican column really narrowly. And North Carolina will go to Michelle Obama. That would be lost cause by then. Because in 2016, with less minority turnout, Hillary Clinton lost North Carolina by a percentage point. Now it's 2024, and blacks are the majority in the states. And most of the white voters are Democrats. So I think that North Carolina would flip to Michelle Obama. The same thing with Arizona. Arizona was decided by 5%, but 5% could easily be turned around to 5% for the Democrats, especially because more and more Latino voters are coming in. And I think I have to make these Georgia and Florida are going to be really pure toss-ups. If Michelle Obama takes Florida, she would win. If she takes Georgia, Nikki Haley takes it. So I think Georgia would stay with Nikki Haley just because of the Southern appeal and because of what happened with Texas. If Nikki Haley's able to keep Texas, she'll be able to keep Georgia. And that leaves us with Florida. Florida's a really hard one. Since it has a really growing Latino population, Florida could go to either side, but it's kind of hard to see which side would get it. For now, I think I have to make a final decision, so I think that Nikki Haley would get Florida. This would be narrow, very narrow, and this would probably be the last time that Florida goes to a Republican in the near future. I think she'd carry it because I think that she'll find this as the most important place to campaign. While Michelle Obama will find the Rust Belt as the most important part to campaign. Nikki Haley will probably spend lots of money in Florida because it's her only way of actually winning the election. I don't see any other way I don't see North Carolina going, and that would be the only other possibility. So I think that Nikki Haley will win 296 electoral votes for Nikki Haley and 242 for Michelle Obama. Florida could easily flip at any time. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.